Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sugar Grove, or 9 miles west of Batavia, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Lombard, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, St. Charles, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Canton Hills, Oakbrook, and Westmont. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 near mile marker 273. Interstate 88 between mile markers 102 and 136. Interstate 290 between mile markers 5 and 10. Interstate 355 between mile markers 15 and 30. This includes Aurora University, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, Morton Arboretum, Walton C Community College, Wheaton College, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.